Thank you for purchasing the Daiwa Legacy. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce you to the tools that are going to be coming with the chair. It's going to come with a screwdriver, Allen wrench, 2 bolts, and 2 lock pins for the leg rests. And before we start the installation, just be sure you have everything that you see right here. Okay, so now once you have unboxed your chair and found the desired area, what you want to do next is locate the air hoses. You're going to notice that each air hose is numbered for the exact area it needs to be plugged into, and then you're going to locate the electrical plug, which is for your speakers. Looking at the armrest, you'll notice that there's a set of numbers right here, 1, 2, and 3. It's basically telling you the order of how the air hoses are going to be connected. For instance, 1, 2, and 3. This will be for your Bluetooth speakers, which you'll be plugging in. So let's go ahead and do that. And before we hook up the arm, we're going to go ahead and follow the air hoses by the numbers. And now we're going to hook up the electrical for the speakers. Now before we hook up the arm, you're going to notice that there's a hinge on one side. We're going to hook the hinge up to the body of the chair. You'll notice that there's a bolt sticking out for it. Go ahead and slide it on, then the arm will just drop in its place. Okay, so now that we have the armrest installed, what we're going to do next is locate the bolts that are hanging out for the leg rest. You're going to notice there's one right here and one more on this opposite end. Now before we attach the leg rest, what we're going to do is use the bolt and that Allen wrench to secure the arm in place. We're going to go ahead and insert it into the hole right next to the post. Like so. Tighten it by hand first. Like that. Then go ahead and use the tool to finish it. Like so. And you would do that to both sides of the arm. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the leg rest to the post. You're going to do one side at a time, like so. Once you get one side on, you'll use the clip, and then you can go ahead and attach it to the post. Just slide it into place just like that. Same with the other side. There you go. And then right now, before we finish the chair, we're going to go ahead and attach the zipper. Once you have the zipper attached, go ahead and grab the remote, put the chair in 0 gravity. And what that's going to do is it's going to lift up the leg rest for you so we can attach the cables to the back. Okay, so now that you got the chair in 0 gravity, what we're going to do next is we're going to locate the air hose and then the electrical plug. You can go ahead and plug in the electrical plug first. Like that. Make sure it's secure in there. Same with next with the air hose. Go ahead and insert it into the nozzle above it. Slip the spring back down to keep it from kinking, and you're good to go. So now that we have the chair assembled and everything is put together, what we're going to do next is make sure that the remote control is installed correctly in the back of the chair, and then make sure that the plug is turned on in the back of the chair. The light will be on to let you know that it's on. Once everything is done from the back side, go ahead and grab the remote, turn it on from auto to the extend mode. And once we have chosen extend mode, we're going to go ahead, let the chair run, and we're just going to observe. Make sure that all the airbags are inflating from the shoulders to the arms to the hips, calves, and the feet. Once you notice that everything is running smoothly, you will know that the chair is good to go. And if you were having any problems, you can always contact our service center and we'll be able to help you answer any questions that you're having.